Hey, this is Richard over at foxairandheat.com. Here's another one of our lifetime warranty Mana units. This is a gas furnace. It has a stainless steel heat exchanger. If that ever cracks, a Mana is going to replace the whole furnace. So you're going to get a new blower motor, draft motor, controls, control board, all that stuff. If it ever cracks, which it really shouldn't because it's stainless steel, so they back it with a great warranty. We got our coil over there. That's a 10-year warranty. When we do these systems, typically we're going to put in a new return plenum with a big high flow allergy filter on it. We're going to put a new drain pan in the bottom there. And then on this one, we actually put, well, we try to do this on all of them. We have a primary safety switch up underneath there that if the drain line clogs up, it kicks that. And then if this drain pan ever gets clogged up, it's going to kick this one. So we have a dual float switch. We have the gas line right here that's got a drip leg in it. That's the way you're supposed to do it. We go ahead and put a new flex line on it too. We don't want an old line cracking or having an issue with it. So anyways, that's how you do it right. I got a new supply plenum over there, and we seal it up with the mastic. That works really well. You know, if the ductwork's in good condition, we don't have to we can usually reuse it. There's not a huge difference between new and the old stuff if it's not real dirty. So, and again, we're filtering everything right through there. So it's got the big allergy filter in it. So we really like these systems. They got good warranties on them. We really don't have any issues with them, so it's really not that big of a deal. So we use a lot of some Mana. Most customers will see the warranty and they'll go that route. So, but we do train, carrier, Linux, anything you want, we can get you. We do some real high-end inverter stuff like this too, and they have the lifetime replacement warranty on them as well. So give us a holler if we can help you. It's Richard over at foxairandheat.com. Thanks for watching.